Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you're having the most wonderful day. Today's video is again all about Poundland Haul. I love Poundland. You will know from my videos that I love it. So the first thing I got was obviously this little carrier bag. I love these reusable shopping bags. I got a Mickey and Minnie bag. Thought this was super adorable. I use these all the time and I constantly reuse them, but when they have new ones in, I do tend to buy those as well. So this little bag is £1, so that's my first item that I purchased, and let's go ahead and dig into this bag and see what we get. Okay, something else nearly came out. I bought 2 sets, we'll put one off to the side, of these Pringles milk chocolate dessert collection. They're a 16-piece box and it's assorted. It has delicious milk chocolates with a soft center. It doesn't tell you what desserts you get on the back, but the front indicates that you can get things like lemon cheesecake, like raspberry cheesecake, and these look like Maltese, strawberry cheesecake. So they are only £1. Great as a little addition if you're making a hamper for a birthday, for potentially a Christmas gift. But I always pick up their little boxes of chocolates. These little ones were new. I have not seen these before. You're getting 125 grams. These are made by, they're Pringles? Yeah, Pringles, and they're only £1. I thought they were an awesome little bargain. I'm going to make up 2 little hampers. That's why I have 2 sets. Guys, I'm going to just pop you down a little bit. I want to make sure you can still see our beautiful Mickey and Minnie. Let's see what else we've got inside this bag. Okay, as I said, I'm going to make up a little gift hamper. I'm going to make 2 gift hampers. And these little squeaky clean body puffs, a pack of 3, are £1. These will be an awesome addition to my little hamper. They're squishy. They're really good, sturdy body buffs. I've had these before. And I think it's awesome that you're getting a pack of 3, because I know you can buy these in other places and they are £1 per body buff. So I think to get 3, that is awesome, and they will make a fantastic little addition to my, let's pull these over here. They'll make a fantastic little addition to my hamper. Let's pull you guys back so we can see it. Guys, I might actually take the bag off to the side, just because it's much much easier, and the space unfortunately that I have today is very limited. I got 2 of these little jelly bean candy canes. They're Elf on a Shelf and they're adorable. I plan to give these away to my nephews as part of their little Christmas gift. They are super cute, super adorable, fully sealed. In the pack you are getting 100 grams of product. And I really like these candy canes, because next year I will ask my brother to hold on to these. And next year what I'll do is I'll either refill them with little bits, or I put decorations inside these and use them as an addition to my candy or to my hampers. So I like to reuse a lot of things. So I'll put in mini baubles, some tinsel, and place it on my hamper as a little decoration. These little candy canes were only £1. I purchased 2, but they have a lot. They have boxes upon boxes. Guys, I also, inside this pack, I love baby wipes. They are so good and handy for when you're out, if you need to clean a trolley and you need to use anti-bac. I think these are great to have in your pocket. They are Huggies. They are skin-loving natural fibers. They're made with aloe vera and only £1. I definitely always keep a pack around the house. So I tend to put a couple of the wipes inside a Sealy bag and put it in my handbag. So when I go anywhere, I can clean down a trolley, use my anti-bac, clean it, make sure my hands are clean and sanitized when I go in and out of shops and pick up products. So they're always very handy to have. I bought this cutesy little toy. This is a busy phone. It's Hours of Fun, and it says try me. This little busy phone was only £2. I thought that was awesome. I'm currently making up toy packs for charity, and this will make a great addition for a smaller child as part of that pack. The handset does lift up. It has a little tie on it. It has a little twisty multicolored ball. It has a little reflective surface right here. You can turn the little dial of the phone back and forward. I know you guys don't remember phones like this, but very cute. And then we have a little squeaky push button right over here. So that'll be fun as an addition to my, we'll pop that right back there, to my charity box. Okay, another couple of items we have inside the bag are headphones. I never am without a pair of headphones. I listen to music, Netflix, and other streaming services all the time. So I love having spare pairs of headphones. These are only £1. They're in black, matches my phone. Pretty standard stereo headphones. They're comfort fit. They have a 1.2mm cable, and they have a 3.5 millimeter jack. My phone does use a jack. I do tend to buy a phone that has a jack rather than the wireless. I've used the wireless, but they run out quite quickly, so I prefer a jack. And for £1, why not grab those? I was so shocked about this. I got a Comfort Zone number E738 cosmetic palette. This is an eyeshadow palette, and it has a lot of the colors. Some of the colors in this palette I don't tend to use. The greens, which are these three here, I don't tend to use. I like warm, soft, natural tones, but these two at the top with possibly these two, I definitely can use. I like the fact that it has it labeled. So this one's for the brow bone, the eyelids, the crease, and as a definer. I will probably use these across the top and down. I probably won't use these greeny colors, but I thought this was awesome for £1. It's made by Wet n Wild. It's color icon, and it tells you where to put the shadow in order to create that really nice smoky look. It actually gives you a couple of different options. So you can create a sweet look, you can create a flirty look, a dramatic look, and a wild look. And it tells you the number that you should use, which corresponds to the palette. I thought that was pretty awesome for £1. So happy with this. I'm naturally, my skin is quite, it doesn't get irritated very often. So I'm quite lucky that I can use these cheaper end palettes. The color, obviously, and the pigment isn't as good, but you can use the darker colors to make your eye really pop. I've used things along this line before, and I think they're awesome. And for £1, that is an ultimate bargain. Definitely fantastic. These have fallen out, but these are adorable, cute wine glass charms. They have a set of 5. That is plenty for me. The pack is £1. We have a little wreath. We have a Christmas stocking. We have the snowman. We have the little bell, which is upside down, and we have a gorgeous little Christmas tree. This will add just a bit more sparkle, a bit more decadence to your Christmas table, and I think they're super fun. For £1, I think that's awesome. I love keeping the packaging because what I would probably tend to do, I have had these before, and I kept them for a couple of years, and then they got old and broke and a bit discolored, and I disposed of them. But I do tend to hook them back over the little cutouts, put them back in the packaging, and pop them in my big storage box for next year. At £1, I think that is super cute and adorable, and just adds a little bit of something different to your Christmas table. Guys, the last thing that I have in this haul. I'm trying to keep my videos a bit shorter. I know that they have been going on for about 20 minutes. I've been doing such big hauls. And I don't know if you guys really like hauls that are that big, or you like a quick video you can just kind of fly through. Let me know in the comment section below, because I'd really like to tailor my videos to my audience. So if you guys want shorter videos, let me know. If you like the longer videos, I'm so happy to do that for you guys. But just let me know in the comment section below. Last thing I have, but I have a set of 3. And I have done videos on these before, but I just recently found the Pringles type puzzle boxes. These are cereal. This is a cereal box. It's a 50-piece jigsaw puzzle. It is made in the Kellogg's Crunchy Nut style packaging. It is super cute. It looks exactly like the packaging. If you buy this cereal, you'll see that this is just a little mini version of the cereal in a jigsaw puzzle. It is made by Wow Games, X-Wow Games. It's for 6+, and it's made with recycled materials, which is awesome. Guys, this is the collection you can get. I now have all of these. This was the last one I needed to get. I now have them all, and I'm going to keep them in my collection. And if you guys have not seen my recent videos, you'll be able to pick up and check out the other puzzles that I got. But these are cute, adorable. And then these two are super cute. We'll go through them both one at a time. So these are made to look like the little Pringles cans. These are Pringles Ranch. I have never tasted Ranch Pringles. I think this is more of an American, Ranch is more of an American kind of Canadian type flavoring. In Ireland, we tend to have more cheese and onion, salt and vinegar. They would be the popular flavors in our country. I know Ranch is very popular in America and Canada. I go to Canada every single year and I do see Ranch. I just have never picked it up and tried it. Maybe when lockdown and this coronavirus goes away, that will be on my to-do list when I go back to Canada. But again, this is a 50-piece jigsaw puzzle, and I mean, I think these are so cute. These are all the ones you can get in the collection. You can get salt and vinegar, sour cream, original, ranch, barbecue, and cheesy cheddar. As I said, you can get salt and vinegar. Salt and vinegar is my ultimate flavor of any kind of crisps. It is definitely on my very top list. So I had to pick up this little miniature. I just think these are super cute. I think they're super adorable. If I can get a picture, I don't want to open these guys because I'm going to keep them as a collection. But if I get a picture, I'll pop it in one of the corners of the full puzzle so you guys can see. But they are super cute, super dinky. Only £1 for each of these items. And I mean, I know the jigsaw is small, and I know that's probably a relative price, but I just thought these were a super bargain. And I picked up every single one in the collection. Guys, I don't have the whole collection of the Pringle types. These are the only 2 that I have. So I'm definitely going to go on the hunt for the other 4 because I want them as little miniatures for my, like I said, my collection. So they're super cute, super dinky. Really, really love them. They're adorable. Guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you really liked this video. I love doing these videos for you. Please let me know in the comment section below if you like these videos also. And if you would kindly smash that like button for me, I would be super, super happy. If you're not yet a subscriber and want to join us, come on ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. Guys, have an amazing day. I wish you all to be safe and to be well, and I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. See ya. Bye.